If you love monkey bread, you're gonna wanna stick around because I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest monkey bread in the entire world. It bakes in just 15 minutes. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you one of my favorite breakfast recipes, monkey bread. Now I have several monkey bread recipes on my website. I have a from scratch monkey bread, I have monkey bread made with Pillsbury biscuits, I have a whole video using Pillsbury Grand's biscuits and recipes. Today I'm showing you how to make the easiest monkey bread you'll ever make because it mixes up in just a few minutes, bakes in 15. How do I do that? I do it by using dinner rolls. That's right, it starts with dinner rolls. Not the canned kind that you have to bake, but already made dinner rolls. So basically, you're just mixing it up and then just heating it in the oven to get it all nice and gooey. That's the secret to making it easy. I'm gonna show you how to do it today. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen. Now I'm using King's Hawaiian dinner rolls, just a pack of 12 for this recipe, but you could use any similar sized dinner roll as long as you use 12 of them. You could use a homemade dinner roll if you have leftovers. This is great for just really any packaged dinner roll as long as they're about the same size as a King's Hawaiian roll. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and spraying a 9x9 or 9x13 inch baking dish with nonstick cooking spray. You're gonna mix together 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar in a small bowl and set that aside. Remove your rolls and separate them and cut them each into 6 pieces. And then place them in a large bowl. Take a 1 large egg and beat it with a fork and then pour it over the bread pieces. Toss it with your hands. This is just to get them wet. Usually when you're making normal monkey bread, you would toss it with cinnamon sugar and it just sticks because you're using like a canned dough or Pillsbury dough, and it sticks to it because the dough is like kind of sticky because it's not cooked yet. These are already cooked, so we need to make them a little bit wet so that the cinnamon sugar will adhere. So and then I'm gonna toss the cinnamon sugar on top and then toss it again with my hands to coat evenly. If you don't want to use an egg, you could use 1 or 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then you're gonna place the bread mixture into your prepared pan. Now it looks like it's not gonna fit in a 9x9, and I baked mine in a 9x13, but it was really thin. So if you want it a little bit thicker and gooey on the center, go ahead and use a 9x9 pan. Otherwise, you can also use a 9x13 pan. Just place your bread cubes in there as evenly as possible and top it with 1/2 cup of chopped nuts. You can use pecans, walnuts, whatever you like. Then melt 1/2 cup of butter in the microwave, that's 1 stick, and stir in 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Stir it really well until the brown sugar is all mixed in with that butter, and then carefully pour it evenly all over the bread. You're gonna bake this for about 15 minutes until the bread just is a little bit crusty on the top. Now, usually if you were doing this in a bundt pan, you would turn it out onto a serving plate. And so all that nice gooey mixture is on the bottom. So you might want to stir it up a little bit so that the gooey mixture doesn't just stick to the pan, so it comes up with the bread cubes if you're not eating it immediately. If you're eating it immediately, you just go ahead and serve it. And that's it. We've got our delicious monkey bread that was done in like 20-25 minutes. I mean, that's unheard of. Normally it takes 30 to 40 or longer just for it to bake. But by starting with dinner rolls, it's so easy. This is not gonna last the entire day. It's gonna be gone by lunchtime. This is a family favorite. I make monkey bread every year, multiple times a year. It's my daughter's favorite. I know you're gonna love it too. I'm gonna go and enjoy some with a cup of coffee while you keep watching for more favorite breakfast recipes.